Why did the baking soda go to the beauty salon? Because it heard it could really make your skin rise to the occasion. And now, 11 baking soda skin. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can offer several benefits for the skin due to its mild antiseptic properties and its ability to regulate pH. Its versatility makes it a popular home remedy for various skin concerns. However, it's important to proceed with caution, as overuse or use on sensitive skin can cause irritation. Benefit 1 is its role as an exfoliant. Baking soda can gently remove dead skin cells when mixed with water to form a paste, promoting a smoother, fresher complexion. This mechanical exfoliation process can help clear clogged pores, reducing the appearance of acne. Benefit 2 is its ability to help manage acne. Baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the severity of acne outbreaks. Applying a baking soda paste to the skin can help reduce the appearance of pimples and prevent new ones from forming by unclogging pores. Benefit 3 is that it can help balance the skin's pH. Baking soda has a natural pH of 9, which can help to neutralize the pH of the skin. A balanced pH level is crucial for healthy skin as it can prevent bacteria growth, reducing the likelihood of breakouts and infections. Benefit 4 is its use in soothing skin irritations. A baking soda bath can soothe the irritation caused by conditions like sunburn, poison ivy, or insect bites. Its soothing properties help to relieve itching and reduce redness associated with these conditions. Benefit 5 is its function as a natural deodorant. Applying a paste of baking soda and water can neutralize body odor without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial deodorants. This makes it a great alternative for those with sensitive skin or those looking to avoid aluminum-based antiperspirants. Benefit 6 is in treating oily skin. Baking soda can help absorb excess oil from the skin, preventing the formation of acne and leaving the skin looking matte and feeling fresh. This property makes it beneficial for individuals with an oily skin type. Benefit 7 is in brightening the complexion. Regular use can help lighten dark spots and discoloration, promoting an even skin tone. This is due to its exfoliating action, which removes dead skin cells and encourages new cell turnover. Benefit 8 is in reducing the appearance of scars. While not a quick fix, the gentle exfoliating effect of baking soda can gradually minimize the visibility of acne scars over time by promoting skin renewal. Benefit 9 is its potential in minimizing the appearance of pores. By clearing out dirt and sebum from the pores, baking soda can help make them appear smaller, contributing to a smoother skin texture. Benefit 10 is in relieving chickenpox symptoms. A bath enhanced with baking soda can provide comfort to individuals suffering from chickenpox by reducing itchiness and irritation, making the healing process more tolerable. Benefit 11 is its use as a foot soak. A baking soda foot bath can help eliminate foot odor, soften the skin, and soothe tired feet. This is particularly beneficial for those with foot odor issues or athletes. While baking soda can offer these benefits, it's crucial to use it carefully and in moderation to avoid skin irritation. Always perform a patch test before applying baking soda to your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin.